Yes. So today we will see the difference between flip-flop and latch. Right. So the question may be like in examination, compare flip-flop and latch. Okay. So detailing of flip-flop, types of flip-flop, and everything I have explained in another video. But this is also important for example review. So what is flip-flop? Flip-flop is what? The bistable device. It is having a two-state, right? 0 and 1, right? And latch is also a bistable device whose states are also represented as 0 and 1, right? Now flip flop में क्या होता है? It checks the input but the change the output only at time defined by the clock signal. Okay, flip flop का output का कब change होता है? It depends on the clock signal कब चालू होता है, right? And latch में ऐसा नहीं होता. It checks the input continuously and responds to change in the inputs immediately, right? Now the flip-flops are the edge trigger device and the latch are the level trigger device, right? Now the flip-flops, the gate like NOT, NOR and NATs are building blocks of the flip-flop. मतलब flip-flop अगर बनाना है तो गेट से बना सकते हो. एंड द लैचेस आर आल्सो कैन बी मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ गेट्स, राइट? नाउ दे आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू द asynchronous and synchronous flip-flop, right? Synchronous and asynchronous flip-flop, but there is no such a classification in the latches, right? Flip-flop always have a clock signal, okay, and latch doesn't have a clock signal, right? The flip-flop can be made from the latches. This is important. The flip-flop can be made from the latches and latches can be made from the gates, right? And example of the flip-flop are SR flip-flop, T flip-flop, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, and latches के examples are the SR latch and D latch. So any 6 point you can write in the examination if the question is of the difference or compare between the flip-flop and latches, right?